everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a fun retro 80s monster mash shaped mani, and we're going to be using colors from Risen Legacy, and then we're going to be using these custom shaped decals from Nails Truly. Now if you have a special event coming and you want custom decals, Nails Truly is the way to go. We also are going to be doing the mani on some press-ons today, and the press-on jelly tips are from Sundara, and they're in the shape short coffin. Now fairy dust, this dip powder here is my favorite dip powder of all times. If I had to pick one dip powder to use the rest of my life, it would be this color. It is the perfect shimmery white dip powder I have ever used, and I just love the name on top of it. You will see it here in action. It's just so pretty, and the shimmer is so light, and it's my favorite when I'm using vibrant color decals or if I just want a palette cleansing mani. I did do a palette cleansing mani with the fairy dust color. I'll link that at the end of the video so you can kind of see it on its own beauty, and it's so pretty. It's beautiful matte, it's beautiful chromed. You can do so many things with this dip powder. It's truly my favorite, so highly recommend. And then during this mani, you will see that I ended up switching it up. I was going to do all fairy dust, but then I was like, oh, I think I need a pop of color. So I ended up using Moonlight Magic on two of the nails, and it's a beautiful purplish pink right here. You'll see it here. Dip powder with a slight shimmer as well, and it also glows in the dark, and it's really pretty. And it is also from Risen Legacy, and I love these two colors together with the decals. It was the perfect 80s retro monster mash mani that I was going for. So I am doing this on press-ons. I will have some other manis this coming week that are not press-ons, so stay tuned for that. And then we'll also throw in a dip liquid mani in there as well for this week. I only have like 3 more Halloween manis planned for this upcoming week, and just so you can still get items if you wanted to recreate these manis, that you can still order anything that you see that you might like in time and still get it for the Halloween season. And then after that, we're going to move on to some breast cancer awareness manis and some cool weather manis and then some fun foil manis. So that is what's coming up on my channel in the near future. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and then I will see you in tomorrow's upload. Hope you have a good weekend. Bye.